Hello friends, this is Ashwin. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is a video tutorial for blockchain. Many of us know about blockchain but don't know the concepts behind it. What is the technology behind it? So this is my small effort to make all of you aware about in and out of the blockchain technology. So if you are very much interested to know more about blockchain, then please do not skip this video and watch till end. This video is going to be too short because I won't be able to cover each and everything related to blockchain, but in the upcoming videos, I will cover all the concepts of the blockchain. We will start from the basics and proceed towards advanced concepts. So without wasting much time, let us start with the video. As you can see on my screen, I have listed down various forms of the financial system. The first one is the barter system. Barter is a system of exchange where participants in a transaction directly exchange goods or services for other goods or services without using a medium of exchange such as money. A barter system is an old method of exchange. This system has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. An example of barter system is bread provided in exchange of butter. Then we can see human beings invented coins such as gold coins, silver coins, bronze coins, and they started using these coins as a medium of exchange. Then we have fiat currency, which is also known as paper currency, which comes into picture after gold, silver, and bronze coins. People are using this fiat currency or paper currency as a medium of exchange as of now. Many countries, all of the countries have fiat currencies. Like in India, we have INR. Paper currency is the legal tender in any country. Legal tender means you can give this paper currency to anyone in exchange of some goods and services. After this paper currency, we have a digital money, or we can say we have the digital representation of money, such as online banking, ATM cards, debit cards, and credit cards. Using this digital money or online banking, the physical exchange of the paper currency is completely vanished, and you can use your ATM cards, debit cards, or credit cards or online banking services for exchanging goods and services. All of the above five financial systems are highly centralized financial systems, or you can say those are 100% centralized systems because these systems are controlled by a central authority. For example, in case of online banking, the central authority is a bank. Whenever you do any transaction, the transaction has to be verified by the bank. After the verification from the bank, the transaction gets successfully completed. Also, bank will charge some amount of fees, and the transaction also takes some time to get settled. There are some limitations of this centralized financial system, and to overcome these limitations, we have decentralized digital money, which is also known as Bitcoin. In this video series, we will talk about blockchain, cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin mostly. So in the upcoming videos, we will see what are the benefits and what are the disadvantages of centralized system and how we can overcome those disadvantages of centralized system using blockchain or using decentralized digital money. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.